Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Windrose game fatal error on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11, -d3d11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then again go to the game properties. This time type -2x12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, again go to game properties and this time type -d3 d11 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then again go to game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game, select properties and then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first click on this Windrose exe file and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then open the R5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder and then right click on this Windrose Win64 shipping exe file and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that also doesn't work, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes and then hit on apply, OK and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam apps folder. Open common folder. And then open the Windrose folder. And then select the Windrose exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app. Browse all apps. Open the R5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Windrose Win64 shipping exe file. Click open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Then click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. And then click on browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Windrose folder and then select the Windrose exe file and then click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse and then open the R5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Windrose Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then you can check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 5 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it and then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it. And after running the downloaded exe file, select yes to allow and then click on OK. You will see this screen. Click on this agree and continue button. Then select a custom advanced option and then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. Next solution is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, scroll down. Download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair button, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. Then next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install DirectX. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this website, click on this download button. This will download the DirectX end user runtime web installer exe file. And then click on this to run the exe file and install the DirectX on your PC. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix it is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game and then select properties. Now in the general tab, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, then open the Windrose game folder, and then open the R5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select the Windrose Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and then next to GPU preference, select the high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Windrose game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Windrose fatal error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.